If you have been following me for a while, you will know I'm an all-weather rider and I'm rather keen on my heated gear and that particular brand, which is Keis. It's my third season now that I'm wearing the heated gear, and I honestly don't know how I did it before. 3 years ago, I got the body warmer, which I wore and I still do. Then last year, I got the jacket and the gloves, and this season, I've got heated trousers and heated socks, and they are brilliant. Now, you may have noticed this is not my motorbike, and as easy as it is to connect everything together and plug it into your bike's battery, it's not something you're going to do when you borrow a bike like this one, which is a courtesy bike from KTM, while mine is being serviced. So for occasions like that, I have bought a 12-volt plug-in converter, which on big bikes like this you get, and quite simply, you plug it in there, loom it under there to keep it tidy, and you plug it into your connector that is one connector for all the gear I'm wearing today to the bike, and I am as toasty as anything. Honestly, I don't know how I rode without it before. Right, I'm going now to enjoy the bike whilst I'm warm at about 3 degrees today. Woo.